Hello beautiful people, in today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful design on the video. It's actually a gown. We have the half length and the upper side and the lower side. So we'll first of all demonstrate the lower side. You take the measurement of your shoulder to your ankle or to your desired length, and you subtract your half length from it. I also have 2 inches band. From that half length, you are going to also subtract 2 inches from the half length because of the band. So we'll be drafting from our waist down to the ankle, but what I have here is actually waist to the knee length. So I'll be using this one to demonstrate exactly how I was able to achieve that design on the picture. So this is our waist. The waist I'm working with is 36. 36 divided by 4 will give us what? 9 inches. This is 9 inches plus 1 inch that. This is 1 inch for that. So in order to have pleats at the waist area, in order to determine the spacing for the pleats, we want to achieve 4 pleats on the waist area. We want to achieve 4 pleats. In order to determine the spacing for the pleats, we will be dividing that by 9. We will say 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 will have 2.25. So for our spacing, we will be marking 2.25. But from here, we will be dividing this 2.25 into 2 again. And what we have is 1.125. That is 1/1/8 of an inch. So we are marking 1.25. That is 1/1/8 of an inch. And this from the center front. So this 1 inch that will be closing it. I want to fold it in. 1.1/8 of an inch. We'll be marking 2.25 now. We'll be marking 2.25. We'll mark 2.25. From here also, from that one, we'll mark again 2.25. From here again, we mark 2.25. I want to achieve 4 pleats. I will be connecting it this way. The next thing is for us to make a curve like this. I have 4 inches there. You can come down by 2 inches and connect just a guide. Also come down by 2 inches here. You connect this one as well. So we'll be slashing through these lines. We'll be slashing through it. We'll slash it to the end. Let's number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll slash it to the end. This is the center front, and this place is the side seam. If we are cutting on the fabric, this place will be placing it on a fold. Okay? You will be placing this side on the fold, so we'll be placing our material, our pattern this way. You can slant it this way, just place it this way on your pattern, on a fresh pattern paper. Place it this on a fresh pattern paper. You want to achieve 2 inches pleats, all 2. You mark 2 inches here. So what we'll be doing next is to and also connect these lines. This is where we'll be pleating. I'll be pleating towards, we'll be pleating backward. So this is the waist area. This is the waist. This is the center front. And this is the side seam. So if you want to pleat, you follow the notches. It's very easy to pleat now. You follow the notches. Just follow the notches, pleat the 2 inches. Just follow the notches and pleat. So this is quarter of our waist measurement after we pleat. Cutting this on a fabric. We'll be placing it diagonal this way. The folded side will be the side seam because there's no opening. So we remove our pattern. Add your sewing allowance, your hemming allowance downward. Remember to add your 1 inch or half an inch. I'm working with a stretch material. So I'm adding a half an inch sewing allowance. I add 1 inch sewing allowance. I'm adding half an inch sewing allowance. Add half an inch sewing allowance up upward. Also you add half an inch sewing allowance.
I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.
We'll go to the machine and close here. We are going to stitch here together. We'll stitch here. We have gone to close it. We have closed it. I stitch it. Following the notch to pleat.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from